हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। वेलकम टू द ऑनलाइन क्लास इन एसपी कॉन्वेंट मुंडेरा प्रयागराज। आज टुडे नाउ विल बी डिस्कस द डेरिवेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन with the help of graphical method. With the help of graphical method. Okay. You know that the equation of motion are first v equal to u plus at, second s equal to ut plus half at square, third v square equal to u square plus 2as. ओके ठीक है भैया, देखो we will draw to graph between velocity and time. Velocity and time. Okay, graph between velocity and time. If any particle moving on initial velocity with a small u, okay, this point, and velocity will be increased with respect to time, okay. This is the final velocity. Okay. Final velocity v. The resultant between velocity and time is known as a. This is the acceleration. Okay. This diagram like as a rectangle, and we know that in the rectangle the opposite side are equal. If OA equal to U, then CB is equal to U. Okay, CBD. Time in second, velocity in meter per second. Understand? This is the small t. If small t, then the value of AB is equal to small t. Okay. We know that according to diagram, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. According to the figure, DC is equal to V, BC is equal to U, then we can say that say that DC is equal to DB plus BC. DB plus BC. Okay. Then the value of DB. Find the value of DB. We can say that DB plus BC is equal to DC. Transpose DB is equal to DC minus BC. Okay. DB is equal to what is the value of DC? DC is equal to V and VC is equal to U. Then the value of DV we get V minus U. Okay. This is the change in velocity with respect to time. We know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Change in velocity upon time. Velocity की वैल्यू acceleration A is equal to change in velocity dB upon time AB or OC. dV V minus U upon T. Okay. V minus U upon T. Then cross multiply. We will try to cross multiply V minus U upon T upon 1. AT is equal to V minus U. Minus, it means V minus U is equal to AT. The value of minus U transpose V is equal to AT plus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion with the help of graphical method. जल्दी नोट करो, जल्दी करो भाई. हो गया? जल्दी करते रहो भाई, जल्दी करो. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन. सेकेंड इक्वेशन फाइंड करने के लिए हमको टोटल एरिया ऑफ द डायग्राम चाहिए. ध्यान रखना, सेकेंड इक्वेशन फाइंड करने के लिए टोटल एरिया ऑफ द डायग्राम. According to the diagram or figure, distance is equal to area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. Area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. Distance S is equal to area of the triangle. What is the formula of the area of triangle? area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Okay. Apply half base into height. S equal to plus area of the rectangle formula length into breadth. Length into breadth means S is equal to half base. What is the value of base of the triangle? T. Height means OB. AB. Half AB into DB. Okay. Plus length into breadth, so DC into OC. DC into OC. Okay. We can say that S is equal to DC into OC. DC, no, length of BC into OC. BC into OC. BC into OC plus half AB into DB. Okay. S equal to BC. What is the value of BC? U OCT plus half AB T DB. फाइंड करना है V माइनस यू. V माइनस यू. ओके, जल्दी नोट करो. V माइनस यू. S is equal to UT plus half V minus U. From first equation of the motion. First equation of the motion. V is equal to U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. Then the value of V is putting in equation star. Then we get S is equal to UT plus half V U plus AT minus U. U से U कैंसिल हो गया. S equal to UT plus half T मिस्टेक कर रहे थे, T इंटू होना चाहिए था T, तो हाफ T इंटू AT. देन S इक्वल टू UT प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर. दिस इज द सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. This is the second equation of motion. Okay, point to be noted, please. हो गया. Similarly, we will define as the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. equation of motion. Okay, according to diagram, according to the figure, according to the figure, distance is equal to area of the rhombus. This is behave as a rhombus, like as a hook. If the diagram will be stressed in this direction, then the diagram we will get diagram जब इसको हम हुक से ऐसे खींचेंगे तो हमें ये कुछ इस तरीके से मिलेगा। देखो ध्यान से, ऐसे। ठीक है भैया, कैसे? ऐसे। ऐसे। ओके, टी ओ सी ए बी डी टी। एरिया ऑफ रम्बस इज इक्वल टू होता क्या है? डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू half sum of the parallel side okay, into height. This is the V and U. Okay, sum of the parallel side. OD is parallel to the OA. Half sum of the parallel side means B plus U into height T. Okay, into height T. Then we can say that then we can say that H is equal to half sum of the parallel side means V plus U into T. According to the first equation of motion, first equation of motion, V is equal to, this is the equation number star, V equal to U plus AT, V minus U equal to AT, then T is equal to V minus U upon A. The value of small t, putting in equation star, the value of small t putting in equation star. Now we will get we will get the value of s. S is equal to half v plus u into, what is the value of t? V minus u upon a. We can say that s is equal to v plus u, v minus u upon 2a. ओके, नोट करो, जल्दी जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो. S is equal to v plus u, v minus u upon 2a. Okay, cross multiply. 2as is equal to v plus u, v minus u according to the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, the total identity applied on this, then we can say that 2as equal to v square minus u square. Okay, v square minus u square equal to 2as, माइनस उधर जाएगा, प्लस v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2as प्लस u स्क्वायर, v square equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. Okay, नोट करो, जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग, मोशन, इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, मोशन अंडर टू ग्रेविटी. Under to gravity. Okay, equation of motion under to the gravity. हो गया. Two condition on this situation. First condition, if particle moves on upward direction, then a is equal to plus g. No, upward direction minus g. Okay, if particle moves on, if any particle moves on downward direction, downward direction. Then A is equal to plus G. We know that the equation of motion V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Okay. V is equal to U minus GT, first equation. Second, S equal to UT minus half GT square. Third equation, V square equal to U square minus 2GS. Apply this condition on this situation. V equal to U plus GT. Similarly, S equal to UT plus half GT square. Second equation. And third equation, V square equal to U square minus plus 2GS. Okay. Point to be noted. तो हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, ठीक है, और पढ़ते रहो थोड़ा सा ध्यान से, नोट्स बनाते रहना भैया। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट डे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।